Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Burning truth about moisturizers. Most women over the age of 15 know that they must cleanse and moisturize their faces so their skin looks the best it can every single day. In fact, most women enjoy a 4-step process: cleaning, exfoliating, toning and moisturizing. In the final step, that process is moisturizing. The basic law of the beauty is that everyone, no matter what the skin type, age or gender, should moisturize. Even people who have oily skin will benefit from moisturizers, because they seal the moisture into the skin. The basic function of a facial moisturizer used to soothe the skin and keep the moisture in. This means that moisturizers should be applied either directly after the shower or after washing and toning the face. And, while moisturizers may smooth skin temporarily and make small lines and wrinkles less apparent, there is no long-term benefits to wrinkles. Most beauty companies carry a line of moisturizers and eye cream. And, some celebrities and dermatologists are also producing their own products to take advantage of the evergreen markets of men and women, who are searching for products that help them to look better and look younger. It is safe to assume that you must do some of the same things to evaluate products which are produced for the department store, the drugstore or her by celebrities in order to determine whether or not the products meet your standards. The first thing you should do for all moisturizers is to read the label. Any moisturizer which contains alcohol as an ingredient can be more drying to the skin than it should be. Moisturizers should also have a natural sense, and not be laced with synthetic aromatics to please the nose. Synthetic scents, any chemicals, are hard on the skin and can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Moisturizers that have shea butter, soy with oatmeal on the list of ingredients may perform better. Shea butter and soy are well known for absorbing into the deeper layers of the skin, while oatmeal has anti-aging properties and is good for rashes. Oatmeal is also good as a natural physical exfoliate. A good moisturizer will also contain sunscreen at SPF of 15 or higher. This offers protection to the face against UV rays that easily penetrate car windows, office windows and are emitted from some office lighting. These UV rays will age the skin much the same way as the sun will. Moisturizers can also include vitamin E, aloe vera and other oils, but should never contain mineral oil because it does nothing more than clog pores, and puts the barrier between your skin in the air. Some of the best moisturizers contain hyaluronic acid for filling in lines and wrinkles, and attaching antioxidants at the cellular level to help break down free radicals which increase the aging in our skin. Contrary to what some in the industry would like you to believe, moisturizers do not rely on one ingredient that will enhance the appearance of the skin or function, but rather on the best ingredients used in combination to maintain a healthy and radiant face. All skin types will benefit from antioxidants, anti-irritants and agents that bind moisture to the skin. And while daytime moisturizers will contain sunscreen, some nighttime moisturizers also contain anti-aging formula in order to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Researchers have also discovered new ingredients they call cell signaling substances. In fact, communicate at the cellular level, telling the cell to look, act and behave more like a healthy skin cell. The process is complex and more difficult than any phone system or computer system is, but the good news is that researchers believe this new horizon in skin care is exciting, and may lead to crossing yet another border in the search for the fountain of youth. The function of a moisturizer is to improve the way in which the skin is able to function and maintain as much moisture as possible. To that end, you may have to do a bit of experimenting on your own with products you find amenable to your particular situation. By experimenting with specific products designed to meet individual needs, you'll be able to find a skin moisturizer that should help you look your best every single day. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up and share with your friends. If you need help putting these cool ideas to work, please get in touch or leave a comment. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.